we're going to go to the eBiz sector here, and we're going to go with a offer called Sqribble at number 6. So Sqribble is a product that will help you basically write an ebook. So it creates amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing any words.
That's crazy.
And yeah, it's just great.
Yeah.
I'm sold. Okay. It's a VSL lander. As you can see, it's starting out, its initials at 67. They are from the same people who have had different social media making tools and other video tools. So they are coming out with this Sqribble, and I would say it's been bordering outside of the top 10 now for a few months. Like every single month, it's like just outside. And as you can see, this is the affiliate tools page right here. Just got to enter your name and your email, and then they will contact you and start to work with you there. And they've paid out over 1.5 million to affiliates so far with this offer.
Yeah, I guess
it's
been, we watch the internal leaderboards here, and it's always, hovering around, kind of doing really well consistently.
Yeah.
And to plug a deal a bit, I'll name drop it. We don't usually name drop it. That's his face right there on the tools page, so I'll say his name.
Yeah.
Great guy to work with. He's been in the space forever. Well, he's doing a really cool thing. He's actually giving away PS5s. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw that.
PlayStation 5s to like his top 25 affiliates or something this month. Yeah, so it's been pretty cool. When this publishes, I don't know if he's going to be still doing that, but go check out and sign up to be an affiliate if you're interested in that. If you've got like eBiz, make money online, internet marketing, kind of traffic, really good offer for that.
And he's just a fun guy. Like from all the videos they post on social and everything, he's just a fun guy.
Yeah.
So what we're seeing from the stats on this offer, average order value, so the AOV is at $51.70. The average payout value, the APV, is $32.25. EPC, $1.77 and 92 cents on the initial. It is doing amazing, and its refund rate is right where you'd want it to be, in about that 5 to 8% range. It is just a great offer. So, and he's great to work with.
I was going to say, too, I've actually known some other clients that have used this product to make some of their products. So
yeah,
it's a little plug if you want to go check it out and see if it could be a good product for you to use, not just promote. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great offer. Get in on it.
Hi, I'm Jalen, and I'm a new member on Sqribble, and I am so elated to try this product. I actually already written ebooks and spent a lot of time confused on how to design, trying to make everything look so sophisticated, and 3 clicks and I'm in Sqribble. I'm a member. Everything is so seamless and easy to use. You don't have to download anything on your computer. And I actually made the money that I spent on this product back in the same day. So I just want to sincerely thank you for creating this platform, Sqribble, so that millennial professionals like me can be empowered and write ebooks in minutes. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Jay Overton, and I just wanted to make this quick video to let you know that I absolutely love the software packages that a deal comes up with. The fact that so many of them can interact with each other makes them even more valuable, and it makes me more productive. Sqribble, for instance, is an easy-to-use and easy-to-customize platform that lets me produce beautiful and impressive ebooks. I highly recommend it. You should pick it up.